What's up, smart people on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, this is what I do every morning. I break down the stocks that I trade for the day, how I could do a little better on them, and break down, what potential I see and how I would trade them. So let me go ahead and jump right into it today. Today's should be a pretty good breakdown. I made a couple trades today, and there's definitely some money to be made today. So let me clear out this drawing real quick. Bam. All right. SPI had good pre-market activity. It was probably on everybody's radar, especially the shorters. So it came out dumping early in the morning. Maybe people taking profit from the pre-market activity, and it dumped here, and bam, made a perfect buying opportunity on this 14-day RSI, 7-day RSI. Everything was below the min line. So I decided to try it out here at 334, right here on the second green candle. Late buy, kind of waited on the 7-day RSI to get out of the min here. Should have just bought here off the 14-day RSI on this red to green move here, but I ended up selling here at 328 with this wick here. Ended up selling. Didn't like that was gonna head down on me, or potential to head down. Really couldn't tell if it was or not. Just ended up selling here. Thought I was about to head down, but I should have stuck with it. Let's look at here. So if I got in here at 334, and it did ended up continuing on higher. The 7-day RSI ended up maxing out here. Bam, at 350, 355. So that definitely would have been right in the 5% range. Yes, sir. The 7% right there. 358. So I should have stuck with it. If I would have set a stop, and stop loss would have been really close to my 4% right there. Right here on this wick. And then there was another wick here too also that I would have had to hold through. But if you stick to the plan, stick to the process, I could have got out here at 7%, or if I would have got out on the wick here at a good 10%, touched 10% a couple times here. Bam, 1, 2, 3. So I missed out on that, took a small loss there. Still, small losses add up. So let's go ahead and move on to the next trade, Sint, S-I-N-T. Oops, where did all those letters come from? All right. Bam, S-I-N-T. Saw that I was getting some volume here. Got in on the third green candle. Got in high as hell, 288 at the top. And went for another green candle and then fell over the 7-day RSI, maxed out. Didn't recognize it. Sold here late here at 274. Doing the opposite here. Should be buying low and selling high. So gotta be a little bit more careful there. Should have had a closer stop. Should have been selling at 284 at the latest. And bam, another bad trade there. Now let's look at the good trades for today. GHSI. Alright, so GHSI has some great volume here. Had a really nice day yesterday, and it's just making a continuation today. Missed all this here. Didn't really see where I could really get in here on a good buy. I mean, let's see here. A little mini breakout. Can't really tell here. A little mini flag, bull flag right there. But I did get in here on this trade here. I saw that GHSI was respecting the K here. You can see it went from the min to the max, a little bit on the max. Went from the min then to the max. Each time going higher. Went from the min here and it maxed out. over here. So I was like, all right, let me see if I can get 5% on a dip here on the K. Ended up dipping here, got in here at 0.67, somewhere around here. I can't remember the other two digits, but 0.67 here. Let's just do that. Just made a nice 1 cent move. Got out with a 5% right there. At a point, it's actually got out at 0.69, so probably got out with 4% right there. Haven't done all my calculations yet. And then GHSI made a really good trade here. I've been noticing that if you wait on the double dip, you see here, the double dip on the 7-day RSI, you dip down here once, then twice, wait for the green, got in here on the second green candle here at 0.60. Should have got in on the first one here, would have been a much nicer buy, but I wanted to make sure that I was going on reversal here, and ended up selling with a 10% gain. Right here, sold on this red candle here as soon as it opened up, sold at 0.67. So that overall was a good trade. It kept me from having a $100 loss today, so I'm only down $2 for today, better than being down $100 for today. So, I like how that worked out. I made a couple bad trades today, and one good trade ended up bringing me back. And that's how you do it. If I just would have hung in there with SPI, I would have been up $100 today. Oops, Spike, where's all these extra letters coming from? Alright, yeah, if I just would have hung in there with SPY, at least got that 5 to 7%, from 334. Let's see, bam. Yeah, easily would have been 7% gain there, 6% at least. I would have been up for the day, at least $60. So just gotta, hang in there. It's alright there, at least better than taking, a loss here on this big wick. I know I would have got scared right around this area. So better than taking a loss there. So let's look at the overall market real quick. SPY bouncing around here overall, down for the day. And NUG should be trending upwards, but very so. Pretty much just bouncing around in this range here. Might be looking to break out here pretty soon. But let's look at the 5-day on that real quick. 5-day looks the same too. But alright, that's it for me today. Those are my trades. $2 loss today. Overall red starting out for the week. And let's just see how tomorrow goes. Usually I do a little better going on throughout the week, get all the jitters out. Thursday and Fridays are pretty good days, especially if there's volume in the market, and see how it goes. But if you do me a favor, hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this every day. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Alright.